Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Now today we're going to be treating how to host the website. Now before you begin building your website, you're meant to host it on the internet. So you're meant to have what is called a domain name. That's the address of the website, the name of the website, and also you're also meant to have a hosting plan, which is the space where you're going to host your website. So quickly we are going to dive deep and make it practical. So we are going to choose a name like designhobby.org. We'll click on register domain. Right, it's still loading. Alright, we are now going to click on this reCAPTCHA for it to verify that we're a human. Alright, now it's now searching for the designhobby.org, and congrats, yes, it's available. If it's not available, that means someone else has used it to show red here, but since it's available, we'll proceed and add to cart. As we see, they are giving us other options we could use aside from the .org. See, the .com is unavailable. Alright, so let's proceed and check out. Now, domain configuration, yes, we have a domain name now, but we don't have a hosting, and we should click to add one. Why? Because we are buying it together. So choose a shared hosting plan here. I'll go with any of them. Okay, let me go with this lowest one. 400 naira monthly, 4,000 naira yearly. But our advice, you go for yearly, so that you don't need to be renewing your website or your hosting every month. Just do it once and forget about it. So yes, we're going to use a domain already in our shopping cart. Use is now verifying the domain selection. Alright, back to the configuration. Yes, we want to use this. So we'll click on continue. Okay, now our hosting has been added. We'll click on continue. So now in the checkout we have the hosting plan, which is just 4,000 naira, and the domain registration of designhobby.org is 45. So if this is your first time, you should include your promo code, which is welcome. But if not, if you don't have any, you proceed to checkout. Now you need to enter your personal details and billing information here. So if you're already registered with Google, you click on already registered, and it's going to take you automatically. You don't need to start filling your information again. If not, you should. And be mindful filling your correct email address, because this is where they're going to send the correct password, your cPanel link. That's the control panel where you're going to install your website, the username and the password for the control panel. So filling everything accurately. Then down below here, you're going to choose your method of payment, whether be it bank details, bank payment. For those who would like to do transfer via their mobile phones, or want to pay through the bank, you can use this option. But if you want to pay with your MasterCard or your Visa or your Verve card, you have to choose any of these options and click on. You have to agree to the terms of service and do what you complete your order. So the next page is to take you to is where you're going to see their bank details, or you click and you add your credit card, you pay through your credit card. So see you in the next chapter. Thank you.